You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the bulbs on the dipped beams, the full beams and the side lights, remove the closing cap. To replace the H4 bulb on the high and dipped beams, take the black power terminal and pull on it. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Flip the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator light bulbs, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise holding the grey cap, then remove the whole thing. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.